On this video, we're looking at how to install Access Server on Red Hat. As you can see, I'm logged into the Access Server portal. From this page under Quick Start, I'm going to go ahead and click on Get Access Server. Now, as you can see, there are three tabs available: Cloud Images, Virtual Appliances, and Linux Software Packages. And as you can see, there are different distributions available. We're going to click on Red Hat. The very first thing you need to do here to click on the drop down and choose the version of your Red Hat. I'm on a version 9, so I'm going to leave it as it is. Now, you have two options to install Red Hat. One, install via repository, and the other one is manual downloads. Now, for the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to use installing via repository, 3 commands that I need to run. I already have an active SSH session going with my Red Hat. So basically, I'm just going to copy each of these commands and paste it in my terminal and run it. Here we go. That's the second one. And then we're going to run the last command here. Okay, as you can see, the installation is complete. Now, in this window, we need to get some information. So as you can see here, there is the admin UI address, client UI, and the username and temporary password. So we need to make a note of all these pieces. So the very first thing I need you to make a note here that, as you can see on this screen, the private IP address is being shown as the admin UI. Now, if you're trying to access from outside of your network, you need to replace that with the public IP address. Now, I'm going to do that here. I'm just going to type the public IP address, but I'm going to use the port 943 and /admin to access my admin UI. I don't have SSL installed yet, so I'm going to bypass this screen, and we need to type the username and password. As you can see on the terminal, it shows OpenVPN as our admin username, and then we can see the temporary password. So we're going to copy this temporary password and paste it here and sign in. Very first time when you log into Access Server, you need to agree to the license agreement. We're going to click on agree. Now, first thing, we need to change that temporary password. So expand user management, go to user permission, and click on more settings for OpenVPN and type a password for the user. And then click on save settings and update running server. Now I'm going to log out and log back in to make sure that my password went into an effect. So here we go, sign in, and we're logged in. Now, as far as the configuration, if you go back to the portal, you can see a link on the bottom of the page. Click on that and you have links to knowledge base and configuring Access Server. For example, if you click on configure Access Server, you can see instructions on how to set up host names, configure VPN settings, and so on. It's a good reference point when it comes to configuring Access Server. So this was a quick video on how to install Access Server on Red Hat. Thank you very much.